It's an honour to be able to represent the country I was born in and I've lived in my whole life. To be able to captain the girls who are so talented and so kind, I think it's a real honour.
I feel very honoured to represent the UAE for the first time in the European Championships. I've lived here for 11 years and being able to represent almost my home country is a great achievement in itself.
We really need to have a strong sponsor, and Emirates Airlines is the best that we could have ever asked for, and we are very, very grateful to have their support. We'll be able to grow not only netball, but also sport for women.
Our biggest focus this year will be the Netball Europe Championship, where we're hoping to have an inevitable amount of success. And then beyond that, I think it's really important that the girls become role models within the local community.